Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. This is the sixth part of the tutorial videos for the WP Setup Wizard plugin. This will be covering the SEO part because the last one covered security. So let's go to the SEO menu of the plugin. Here you will see that you will be able to enable SEO meta tags from plugin settings. This will generate for you some SEO Facebook, Twitter, and generic SEO meta tags for your pages. So these will generate the OG meta tags if you are aware of them, and also Twitter meta tags, and also some Google specific meta tags for your pages. Also, you can make search engines to be discouraged from crawling your website. This is not recommended if your site is public. This is just a test site. This is why I have this enabled. You can enable robots.txt file generation, and the content of the robots.txt file can be changed here. And also you can redirect 404 errors, page not found errors, to homepage if you check this checkbox. Also, local business SEO. Here you can enable additional settings like business type, and these are local business SEO information. They will be added as LD JSON information on your HTML file content. So you can select the business type, business name, business description, logo URL, accept payment types if you accept payments, business price range, business location information, address, city, state, zip code, country, geolocation, email, phone number, fax number, business open hours, close numbers, and also SEO ratings can be added. These are rating meta tags which will be used by Google to display those rating stars in search results. So you can add here a value from 1 to 5 for rating value, best rating value, worst rating value, and rating count. Afterwards, go ahead and save settings. Now let's go to social settings, because SEO settings were not so long and I can cover multiple settings pages in this video. So you can enable the share buttons to be shown on pages, posts, attachments, and any other custom post types that you might have here active. Where to show them on top or on bottom. So sharing button alignment, let's align them center, and sharing button types Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and enable pin it for images from posts and from featured image. So let's enable this also, and let's go ahead and demonstrate these features. So let's go to posts, and let's edit this test post and add some content to it. And I will be showing also meta tags that the plugin generates to you guys. So when this loads, this is the test post, and let me go ahead and go to its URL. So this is the test post URL. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we will see the sharing button. So as you can see, these are fixed because in the first video, these were not having clear text. But since then, I fixed it and they are working correctly. And if I, for example, click on tweet, then Twitter will be loaded up with some default text added here, and I will be able to share the content with my Twitter followings. Also, the pin it feature, let me add an image for this. So for this, let's add a featured image, or simple, let's add an image here. So let's insert from media library. Let me move myself out of the way, and back here. Let's click update. Oh, look, Gutenberg editor went crazy here. Okay, so now to stop this, I'm not sure. Okay, so Gutenberg is going crazy, no problem. Let's check the post here, and the image should have a pin here. So you will be adding here a save button with which visitors will be able to save the images from your site to Pinterest. Okay, so these are the social settings. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the meta tags that the SEO features adding. So I am not able to right click on this page right now because from the security settings I left enabled the disable right click and content selection settings field. So I disable this now, and now I can view page source. So in the source of this page, so view source, and let's go ahead and search for OG tags, and here will be listed the OG URL, OG title, OG site name, meta description, meta title, and so on. Okay, so these are the settings that the plugin will add. These are the OG meta tags and also Twitter meta tags, Twitter title, Twitter URL, description, card. Okay, so yeah, these are the SEO and social settings. Let me cover also the monetization part, but in the next video. So see you guys there. Bye bye.